Hello, my friends. This is Carrie. Today we are looking at Mary Poppins, the song Supercalifragilisticexpialidocious. We are going to look at the group 2 part. We're going to go through the song and then we're going to sing the whole thing with the track, okay? So the first 36 bars are the Mary Poppins intro solo part, okay? So we're going to skip over those for right now. The first thing we do when we come in at bar 37, is sing the diddle-littles. So we have diddle little little diddle I breathe. Diddle little little diddle I breathe. Diddle little little diddle I breathe. Diddle little little diddle I. Right? Then Bert sings when Stone Age men were chatting. After he says grunting would suffice, we all say ugh. Then Mrs. Corey sings, though if they'd heard this word, they might have used it once or twice. Mary Poppins sings, sure the Roman Empire never had a word like this. So then the Bert, Mrs. Corey, Mary, Jane, and Michael are going to sing Supercal. The rest of us are singing Yum. You can do it in whichever octave you prefer. So let's do it in both so you can hear it. So you can either sing Yum, 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 or you can sing Yum, 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 whichever one is most comfortable for you. Either way, then you jump to, if you say it softly, the effect can be hypnosis. Remember on that one we talked about we're doing it really softly because we're saying if you say it softly, really soft, but really good diction. Focus on the consonants, right? One more time there you have, if you say it softly, the effect can be hypnosis. Then louder, check your breath before you speak in case it's halitosis. 1, 2. Supercalifragilisticexpialidocious. Remember on that one, after halitosis, we take 2 beats while Jane and Michael say yuck, right? So 2 beats and then supercal. All right, so then after supercalifragilisticexpialidocious, we sing again, diddle little little diddle I, diddle little little diddle I, diddle little little diddle I, diddle little little diddle I. Right, we've got a fun harmony there. Let's do that one more time. All of those diddles this time from bar 78. You have diddle little little diddle I, diddle little little diddle I, diddle little little diddle I, diddle little little diddle I. And then Mary says, you know, you can say it backwards, bloody bloody blue. So when the cat has got your tongue, then Bert talks about the letters. Then Mary sings the letters slowly. And then jumping quickly, Jane and Michael come in. When Bert says smarty pants, that's our cue for all of us to come in and do this. And we sing S-U-P-E-R, breathe. C-A-L-I-F, breathe. R-A-G-I-L, breathe. I-S-T-I-C-E-X-P-I-A-L-I-D-O-C-I-O-U-S. We need to be careful on this part from bars 115 to 117 because we stay a little bit steadier. It gets a little tiny bit faster, but not quite as fast as Mary's goes from really slow to really fast. Ours is a little bit more steady through, okay? So just make sure we're listening to the timing there. Then we have the echo. So group 2, we do the echoes, right? So group 1 starts S-U-P-E-R C-A-L-I-F then you have R-A-G-I-L-I-S-T-I-C-E-X-P-I-A-L-I-D-O-C-I-O-U-S. Okay, so on that part, your part is a little bit tricky because it's a little different than we've done before, right? So S-U-P-E-R C-A-L-I-F R-A-G-I-L-I-S-T-I-C-E-X-P-I-A-L-I-D-O-C-I-O-U-S. Then we take a breath while Bert says, here we go. And we sing, supercalifragilisticexpialidocious, even though the sound of it is something quite atrocious. If you say it loud enough, you'll always sound precocious. Be aware of that harmony coming in. It's a great harmony, but we need to make sure we're ready for it. Something quite atrocious. If you say it loud enough, you'll always sound precocious. Supercalifragilistic. Wait, 2, 3, 4. Supercalifragilisticexpialidocious. So on these ones we have exp, breathe, ali, breathe. 4 beats on do, 3 on shus. Shus, breathe on that 4th beat on that one, right? So 1, 2, 3, breathe for then supercalifragilisticexpialidocious. And that's the end of the song, right? Let's try it with the track. What we're gonna do is we're gonna skip some of Mary's opening part, okay, and go to kind of the end of hers. the end of her solo. Supercalifragilisticexpialidocious. Here we come. Diddle little little diddle lie. 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 Bird sings, chatting, simply grunting. Ready? We have. I heard this word. They might have used it once or twice. Mary sings, I'm sure the Roman Empire only entered the abyss because those Latin scholars never heard a word. And we sing. Yum, 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 yum. If you say it softly, the effect can be hypnosis. Check your breath before you speak in case it's halitoocious. 1, 2. Supercalifragilisticexpialidocious. Diddle little little diddle lie. 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 You can say it backwards, she says, which is suo creepus, right? That'll be great. And then Mary sings, so when the cat has got your tongue, there's no need for dismay. Just summon up this word and then you've got a lot to say. Bert sings, there's 18 consonants and 16 vowels as well, and put them in order, which is very odd to spell. Then this first part is going to be Mary. Bart will be acting out the letters. It's going to be very funny, very cool, very fun. And we are waiting, we're watching. We have our dance that we know. And then she goes fast. And Jane and Michael come in. And then we get ready. Ready? Here we go. S-U-P-E-R, breathe. C-A-L-I-F, breathe. R-A-G-I-L, breathe. I-S-T-I-C-E-X-P-I-A-L-I-D-O-C-I-O-U-S. S-U-P-E-R-C-A-L-I-F R-A-G-I-L-I-S-T-I-C-E-X-P-I-A-L-I-D-O-C-I-O-U-S. Here we go. Supercalifragilisticexpialidocious. Even though the sound of it is something quite atrocious, if you say it loud enough, you'll always sound precocious. Supercalifragilistic. Supercalifragilisticexpialidocious. Supercalifragilisticexpialidocious. And that's the end. Hope that helps. See you tomorrow.